As we begin our Earth measuring study, or geometry for short, get ready to embark on discovering different phenomena occurring in our geometric world. We begin by getting to know the basic ideas we will need in order to build up the plane figures, like trapeziums and kites, and we will learn these at the end of the term. Now, when we think of a point, what comes to mind is a dot. A dot like what you see on a map, or even on Google Maps. Or maybe in games that you play to show the location of an enemy. A point is named by using a capital letter, say A. So we call this point A. It has no size, so don't worry whether a point is big or small. It simply indicates a location. Now, another idea in geometry is a line. In our minds, a line is something straight and extends infinitely in both sides. There's no such thing as a curved line because when you are told to draw a line, you know it is straight. A number line, as you studied last term, extends indefinitely. You will need 2 points to guide you in drawing a line, and these points, say points A and B, will guide us in determining one specific line. In symbols, we write the name of this line using the 2 identified points on it, A and B, with a line with arrowheads on both ends above the letters. This is read as line AB. Now, when naming lines, the order of the letters is not important. This means we may also call this line BA. Another acceptable way of naming this line is L sub 1, which is read as line 1, or even a small letter like M. So I can call this line M. Now note how a line has no length, so it cannot be measured. Now the final idea that you should picture in your mind is a plane. Now of course, not this airplane, kamote. That's not a geometric figure. A plane is something flat, has no thickness like a wall, or perhaps even a blackboard or a football field. You just have an idea what it is to you, but you need to stretch your imagination so the football field, like this one, extends far enough that your eyes cannot reach. Now, naming a plane is rather odd, but mathematicians agree to name it like using script, an uppercase letter, like P. So we can call this plane P. Now, let's recap the 3 geometric ideas we have just uncovered. The point, the line, and the plane. Now, these 3 basic geometric ideas are called the undefined terms of geometry. There's no attempt to define them since these are all ideas in our heads. Your study of geometry will build on these basic ideas, so make sure you lock in these concepts.